132 is over using angle measurements. And it talks about two main ones. It's complementary and supplementary. Complementary is if the sum of the measure is 90 degrees, and supplementary is if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. So we're going to figure out. On problem 1, it says which angles are complementary and which angles are supplementary. So we're going to look at, it says to find the measure of a triangle ABC. It says ray AB passes through 0 on the outer scale. And it says through which number on the outer scale does ray BC pass through? And that would be 40. And then so we know that the measure of angle ABC is 40 degrees, because that would be 40 degrees right there. Find the measure of angle DBE. And that says ray BE passes through 0 on the inner scale. And then through which number on the inner scale does ray BD pass? And that would be the 50. And so we know that the measure of angle DBE is 50 degrees. So we're going to, the third step is, it says find the measure of angle CBD. And so we know that it says where does the ray BC cross the outer scale? And that would be at 40 degrees right there. And then where does ray BD cross the outer scale? And that would be 130 degrees. And so we're going to have to subtract the measure of angle CBD. So we're going to subtract 130 degrees minus 40 degrees, which will give you 90 degrees. So it says which two angles measures have a sum of 90 degrees, and that would be ABC and DBE. Because ABC, here ABC, and DBE have 90 degrees, a sum of 90 degrees. And then the two angle measures that have a sum of 180 would be ABD and DBE. So that would be ABD and DBE. And it would also be ABC and CBE. So ABC and CBE. And those two angles together measure 180 degrees. And so that's just pretty much restating what we just showed y'all. Complementary ones was the angle of ABC and DBE together, and that equals 90 degrees. And then the supplementary ones are angle ABD and DBE, those equal 180 together. And then angle ABC and CBE, those two angles equal 180 degrees.